I'm back from the thrift store and I got a lot of things.
Forced labor. I did not sign up for this. I did not.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I said welcome back to the channel. Or welcome back to another episode of Why Buy When You Can DIY. In this episode, we are gonna be tackling a red cord set, a long skirt, and a matching top. So in this episode, there are a lot of DIY chaos and all little DIY distractions, and even a thrifting haul at the end. So stay tuned. Okay guys, a bit of a plot twist. I just found out that Javed Ali is performing tonight, and this is one of those once in a lifetime chances, so I don't think I want to miss it. I know I will be losing some sewing time, but I promise I'll get back to it and I'll be back to finish this. Alright, I am back from the concert. Amazing experience, by the way. But I have a little confession. I deleted some of the videos I recorded of my sewing process, so I might have to skip a few steps, but I'll walk you through what I did as best as I can. So here's the plan. I cut 2 rectangles to fit my bust. Super basic. Left the waist area loose because we are here for cute and comfy. Things are rolling. I'm feeling like a sewing pro, and then my needle breaks. Just snaps right in the middle of my DIY greatness. I guess my machine decided it needed a break too. And now I am hand stitching it like Victorian seamstress, like it's the 1800s. Just me and a needle putting in the work. And I thought, why not add some bows to it to make it extra cute. Here's a little clip of me making them. If you want a full tutorial on the bows, I'll link it up for you. And one more detour. It's my best friend's birthday and I'm going to surprise her with her sisters. But I'll be back soon to keep working on it. Okay, so I thought I needed some back charms and some necklaces to go with my outfit. And guess who's helping? My little sister!
Helping? More like a forced labor. I did not sign up for this. I did not. Alright, I'm done with the charm and this is the final look. And some more pieces.
Here it is, the final outfit. I am absolutely in love. The necklace, the bows, every little detail just turned out perfect. I wish I could step outside and get some really amazing shots in a garden full of flowers, but even here I think it shines. The fit is just chef's kiss. It has that sweet demure look but still feels bold and unique. This is honestly everything I hoped it would be, and I'm just thrilled how it all came together. Definitely my new favorite DIY. Okay, so after all the DIY madness, me and my sister decided it's time to unwind by thrifting. Because who needs a spa day when you can have a thrift store adventure, right? Thrifting is like my happy place. It's like treasure hunt, therapy, self-care all in one. The thrill of finding that perfect one-of-a-kind piece in just few rupees is like unbeatable. And I'm a baddie on a budget. I'm here for finding the hidden gems without breaking the banks. To the thrift store! To the thrift store! Alright guys, I am back from the thrift store and I got a lot of things because I don't have self-control. I don't have a mic yet. I mean, I ordered, so it takes a long time to deliver here and I am so tired of speaking like this because it sounds annoying. And I'm a very calm and collected person. At least that's what I think. I mean, I scream a lot, but only when I'm happy, when I'm sad, and when I am disgusted. Okay, and a lot of things are happening in the background, but I was filming something else, so stay tuned for that. Okay, without further ado, let's start with my haul. I think I should make another video for this because I bought a lot of things and I want to do a try on video as well, so I'm gonna be keeping somewhere here, I guess. Here. Okay, so this is the first one. It's a bodycon dress and it's really cute. I got it only for 50 rupees. Can you believe that? I mean, never skip those 10, 50, 100 aisle too, because you never know what you're gonna get. And it's only for 50 rupees. Can you believe that? It looks really good on me. And this is the second one. It's so cute as well. And I only got it for 100 rupees. And this one. It's so cute. And it's so cute as well. I mean, all my clothes are very summery and it's winter already. Doesn't feel like winter though. Okay, so I got it for 100 rupees. And I got a PJ set. Actually, this is not mine. This is my sister's. But I had to include this on the video because it's so cute. It's a PJ set with Mippy on it. Yeah, it's so cute. Cute. What else do I have? And this is one of my favorite. It's a tweeted cardigan. It's so cute. Made in Korea. I don't know if y'all can see it. Alright. What else do I have? And next thing I got is this. It's so cute in real life. The camera doesn't do justice at all. It's so cute. And this one I got it for 250. And this is the band. I got it for, I guess, 100. Yeah, it's 100. And I got this top. It's so cute. And this top. And I got some accessories. I got this keychain. And I got this hair clip. Oh shit. I got this. And I got this. And I got this. These are only for 20 rupees, by the way. Only 20 rupees. Only 20. All the jewelries, all these were only 20 rupees. Okay, I'm feeling so hot. And it's November already. Can you believe it? Usually by this time, the weather is cold. I don't know what happened this year. Anyway, that was the end of the video. I am feeling too hot and there are some other clothes as well. But I know I'm gonna be visiting thrift store again. So I will do a separate video for that. Alright, hope you all like this video and see you next time. Bye!